A drawing often starts by following the light, but the beauty of light is only just the beginning. This magical evening, a gentle and warm light takes us to Daniel and his wife Conceição. The couple trains homing pigeons to fly back to their little house in Braganza from hundreds of kilometers away. When we suddenly release 5,000 pigeons and they all fly in the same direction, it's so beautiful. Daniel shows us his pigeons that he and his wife trained patiently to recognize their house, the castle, the tower, and the little church where the couple wed many, many years ago.
Came back again and again to Portugal and started like all the same age and to see the changes of Portugal.
Then the next day, a cooler morning light shines the path to the balcony in a little village of Montezinho. Here, Mr. Fernando is busy watering his geraniums. He spent his life working in a large commercial port in Hamburg, Germany, and now he found peace and light back at home on his sunlit balcony, decorated with animal horns. He has grandchildren and even a great-granddaughter, and he's happy to hear that they like living in Portugal more than in Germany. And from the top of the mountain, the light reflects in the uniformly black roofs of Montezinho, making the whole village look like a semi-precious stone, lost in the valley between the hills, only visible to a searching eye, and reflecting back the long passage of time, much like the clouds are reflected in a mountain lake. In Rio de Janeiro, a town situated on the border with Spain, a quick ray of light illuminates a field of ripening cabbages and a white schoolhouse propped on top of the hill. In this place of widows and their memories, seeing a schoolhouse is strange, but that's what the playful light chooses to reveal. Sometimes the light mixes with the foggy air from the sea, making it hard to trace the outlines, forcing me to strain my eyes. And sometimes I'm simply too late to catch the elusive light. Here in the port of Viana do Castelo, I arrived only to find the wind making a symphony of metallic sounds with halyards against the masts. In Ponte de Lima, the beautiful light is back, and this time it reveals a majestic river that is calm and timeless. From time to time, the perfect mirror of water is interrupted by bright, energetic canoes, stirring the stillness of the landscape. Standing in the sunshine that smells like tangerines, the writer Jacinto Pires tells me about what I missed while I was absorbed by the flow of the river. Making quick notes in his book, he can move a lot faster than me, but maybe not quite at the speed of light. In Soaggio, the warm light warms the rocks, and like a lizard, I find that these rocks are made softer by the gentle sunshine. A group of curious kids start to gather behind me, making the spot I picked even more welcoming. It is It's early evening and the town of Guimarães is dancing. The light reveals people old and young, enjoying their town, enjoying the evening and being together, no matter how off-key is the tune of the singer. An old man is dining alone. The crumbs of his food get caught in the folds of his formal coat that has seen better days. But it doesn't matter, because even as he sits here alone, he is enjoying the community around him. As the evening and the journey come to the close, I look up at the sky and inhale, trying to notice the quickly changing shadows. In the words of Jacinto Pérez, it smells like the end of the day.